Don't miss watching this video. Watch the entire video. I will be telling you how each and every student who subscribed to this channel will definitely be able to clear the examination if you are following whatever I'm going to tell you now. Okay, so first let's talk about the problems that students face. Why don't people clear the examination? Why don't everyone get a medical college? Why doesn't everyone get a medical college when it comes to NEET? They prepare for NEET examination, right? A lot of people prepare for this exam called NEET, but not everyone gets into a medical college. Why is that the case? So let's discuss about that. So what are the problems that students face? First thing, the students think the most difficult thing, the thing that they think it comes to their mind, the first thing is competition. Competition is the first thing that comes into their head whenever they think of this examination. So now, is it actually true? Is competition a major factor? So let me tell you, let me just remove this thing from your head. It's not always about the competition. Okay, so for example, 100 people are right preparing for NEET. In that, 30 students, I don't want to talk big numbers like 15 lakh students preparing for NEET. Just let's take an example. If 100 people are preparing for NEET, out of that, you can see in your class itself, right? You can see around you, 30 students will be there who are writing NEET simply without preparation. So 30 students who are writing NEET, they will be writing it without any preparation. No preparation, right? 30 students will write the exam without any preparation. Then next 30 students will be there will be 30 students who are going to write the exam, who are going to start preparing. They start preparing, they join coaching, but they don't pay sufficient hard work. They don't do sufficient hard work. They have not worked enough hard, and they have not put any much effort. They have not even completed the syllabus properly. And there are 30 students who actually work hard. There will be 30 students who actually work hard, and they work hard from the beginning. They work hard, but they don't have proper systematic. They're not systematic. They're not consistent, right? They lose their interest till the end. They don't have confidence at the end. You ask most of the students who are preparing for NEET, at the end they are not at all confident they will clear NEET. You can ask any of your seniors who are preparing for exam. There may be any dropouts. So most of them have the knowledge, but by the end they are not at all serious, because they lose their confidence at the end, right? So now the competition of yours is with just 10 students, right? You have competition with this 10 students. It's not a huge number. You just have 10% students as your competition, not the entire 100%. So 10% of students, you will be competing with them, right? So how can you be better than them? Let's discuss about that. How can you be better than them, and how can you definitely clear your examination? Okay, so this is the first problem I discussed about what students face. One problem what I told you is that people face is competition, right? Next problem what people face is time, right? So you might be going to college. You may be a student who is going to college. So if you're going to college, let's discuss about college going student. So 8 o'clock you may leave for your college, and by the time you come home it may be 6, because you have to travel and all, right? So including all the traveling times, it becomes 6. So then you may start studying at 6:30. Then you may have college assignments to do, right? In college they give you assignments, so you will start doing assignments, and by 7:30 you will complete your assignments, right? So 6:30 to 7:30 is this work. It goes into your assignment, right? So then you can start studying for NEET at 7:30 only, right? You will start preparing for your NEET exam at 7:30. From 7:30 to say 10:30 you are productive. You can study productively, right? In that you have dinner time also, right? So half an hour is dinner. If you include dinner time, you can extend this for 1 hour, half an hour. So say still 11 o'clock. Still 11 you are preparing, you are studying, right? And that half an hour is dinner time. So 7:30 to 11, how many hours it is? 3 hours, right? You have just 3 hours to study with you daily for the NEET exam. So how can you spend this 3 hours wisely? So don't worry, it's not at all a big problem. If you prepare 3 hours daily properly, you can easily clear the exam. So what will you do? Daily 1 hour 30 minutes, so 1.5 hour you will give to biology. Okay, daily you need to spend 1.5 hours for biology, right? So let me tell you in the next slide. 1 hour 30 minutes goes for biology, right? So at any cost you have to study for biology. 1 hour 30 minutes you will be spending. 1 hour 30 minutes for physics. 1 hour 30 minutes for chemistry. How's this possible? You may ask me, how's that possible? I don't have 1 hour 30 minutes and again 1 hour 30 minutes for both of these, right? So this you will be doing alternate days. Okay, one day physics, one day chemistry, one day physics, one day chemistry. You will be doing like this in alternate days. Okay, so on you will be doing. So this is how you will study. So 1 hour 30 minutes for physics one day, and again next day 1 hour 30 minutes you will study only chemistry. 1 hour 30 minutes physics, 1 hour 30 minutes chemistry. So what are the two problems I told you still now what students face? So one is the competition, which is not a problem. As I told you, competition is not as much as you think, so competition is striked off. Next, I told you time management. Students face a lot of time management problems. Time management, I gave you a solution to that. How can you manage time? Now the most important problem the students face is remembering, right? So this is one very important problem. How can you remember so much? There is huge syllabus. How will you remember it, right? So lot of you might have watched lot of videos on YouTube. You might have seen videos for NEET exam, and you might have felt confident. Whenever you watch a NEET video online for exam, whenever you watch a video, say physics video, when you saw physics video, you felt confident that you know everything, right? You feel confident for some time. When you watch video, you feel confident that you know everything, but when you sit and solve questions, you are not able to solve question. Why is that? You don't remember anything. When you watch a video, you feel that you know everything, and you feel like you know everything when you're watching the video. Everything seems simple when you watch videos, but when you sit to solve questions, you are not able to solve questions, right? Questions you will not be able to solve. So that is what happens with most of you. When it comes to questions, you will not be able to solve the questions. So now what is the solution for this? How can I solve this problem of remembering? I want each one of you who is subscribed to this channel, who is following my course from the beginning, to clear the exam. Okay, so that's why I'm giving you solution to all the problems. So how can you remember the questions, and how can you remember whatever you have learned, right? For that, what I will be doing is daily I will upload a video, and that video is going to be one shot. We will not be wasting a lot of time in watching so many videos. Many videos are not good for you, so one shot videos are best form of video. So what we will be doing is we will upload a video daily. For example, in physics, when I teach you physical world, day 1 I will be teaching you physical world in my first video. In my second video, what I will be doing is, because most of you will not have time to revise, I'm sure, and you may think that you will revise, but you will not be able to revise. I'm sure with that. Most of you face problem with that. So next day I will be teaching you physical world plus units and dimensions. In my video itself, I will revise you physical world. I will tell you this physical world in short in the video. Next day I will be revising you these two chapters plus motion in straight line. So when you watch my videos, it's going to help you even in the previous concepts. So by the time you reach day 30, on 30th day, we will be learning full physics syllabus. In one video, you will be learning full physics. It's going to be an entire revision for your physics. So that way, if you follow me for 30 days, you might have revised the top 29 chapters 30 times. Right? So multiple times you will be getting a lot of revision when you watch video. And same thing I'm going to do for chemistry. So that way, your concepts will be very strong. Right? So then you will not forget anything. But what you need to do from your side, I told you 1 hour you will watch my video. My videos may be approximately 1 hour, right? Physics video. Biology you need to study on your own. I will give you questions for biology. Biology will be provided the questions which you can solve, but you will be studying the syllabus on your own. Okay, question and answers will be given for you for biology. Now 1 hour 30 minutes. How we are going to divide this is 1 hour. 1 hour you will watch my video. Watch video, which includes the revision also, which includes your revision too, right? In the video itself, I am going to revise. Next 30 minutes, you are going to solve the questions, right? 30 minutes, you will solve questions. I will give each one of you question papers. I will give you the question paper. If I get a lot of comments, I will provide you question papers for the chapter that I'm doing. So definitely comment down below if you're interested. And then I'm going to give you questions, and then in the 30 minutes you're going to daily solve questions, right? Daily you will solve the questions. Then how many questions can you solve? 2 minutes per question. If you are very strong with concept, in NEET exam you need to solve it in 1 minute, but you give just 2 minutes for the question. Try, if you're not able to do a question in 2 minutes, just move ahead and do other question, right? Don't waste a lot of time, and at the end you can see solutions for everything, right? So like that you can solve 15 questions. 15 questions per day will be less, I feel. So mornings also you can give some time. Next day morning you can solve 15 questions, half an hour before going to your college. So 15 more questions you can do. So per day I want you to do 30 questions. 30 questions per day. What I'm going to give you, in that 30 questions you will be doing, covering all the concepts. You need to cover all the concepts. Okay. So then now you tell me, who can stop you from clearing NEET? Because at the end, by the end of the session, you would have solved so many questions. From each chapter you would have solved a lot of questions, which most of the students wouldn't have done. They would have just watched videos and felt confident. You would have solved questions, plus you will have confidence because you have revised a lot of times. So the problem of confidence is gone. You will be having confidence because of multiple revisions. Plus at the end we will be solving full papers, so you would have solved full papers, right? So all the problems are solved for you, right? So you need to, if you want all these problems to get solved, you have to do the first step: subscribe to the channel. And daily you have to, please, I'm requesting all of you, daily you need to come to the channel and you have to watch a video every day, every single day. Don't skip a single day, because consistency is the key to become successful. You need proper time management. These are the things you need. You need proper time management, you need consistency, you need revision, you need to have solved a lot of questions. Then you would have cleared your exam. Then you are a doctor, right? So these are the things which you have to do. In this, I can help you with time management because I helped you. I told you the solution for that. I can help you with revision. I can help you with questions. But this consistency is in your hand. You have to come to the channel every day, because sometimes you may not get notification that I have uploaded a video. You have to come to the channel every day. By around 5 or 6 o'clock, I will upload the video. You have to come to the channel every day and you need to watch the video every day. Only then you can do it. Otherwise, there's no point of me uploading videos. So definitely comment down below if you are with me in the journey. And it's okay, even if you don't want to watch my videos, you can watch anyone else video, but follow whatever I told you. Just follow whatever I told you. Okay, so you can watch any videos in YouTube. There are multiple videos, but if you subscribe to my channel, I told you the revision problem will be solved. Otherwise nothing else different I'm going to do. If you're not liking my videos, it's okay, you can watch other creators videos. Okay, but definitely daily, please, that's my request to all of you. I want each of you to get into, each one of you to clear the NEET exam and get into a medical college. Okay, so please, that's again my request to all of you. Please subscribe so that you don't miss the videos and watch everyday videos. Okay, and please maintain a proper schedule. And you can also maintain a diary for whatever you did that day. Maintaining a diary is a very good habit. Write whatever topics you are strong with, write whatever topics you are weak with, focus more on the weak concepts and try to make it strong. This is what is going to definitely, after this, you please comment down after following all this. Comment down below after following all of this, how can you not be successful? Tell me, why will a person fail? Tell me one reason, if they are following this, why will they not get success? So my spellings are wrong because I'm focused in talking to you people. So why will they not be successful? Tell me why somebody is not going to be successful after this, after all of this. Comment down below. Then I'm going to work on that and I will try to solve that problem also. So definitely stay subscribed and thank you very much.